Exercise 27. In this one, we'll talk about how to find the minimum of a given function. Let f of x be equal to x minus 3 times x plus 3. For what value of x does this function reach its minimum value? Since we are working with Desmos, I don't need to do anything further. I will simply go and I will plot this graph, x minus 3 and then multiplied by x plus 3. There it is. It's a parabola. It was expected to be a parabola because it's basically the difference of squares, and that makes it x squared minus 9. And now we need to find the minimum. The minimum should be here. Desmos has already found it. It's the point with coordinates 0 and negative 9. Now, be extra careful, as always, on what is asked. We were asked not to find the minimum value of this function, which would have been negative 9, but we were asked to determine the value of x for which f gets its minimum value. That would have been x equals 0. Therefore, the right choice here would have been C.